Hello, my dear friend. My name is Alexander. Are you watching Alexander Motivational Speaker channel? So, thank you so much for connected with me. I'm going to share with you today 3 steps to success in our life. So, if you understand them, that topic says Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, the first step is communication skill. Second step is leadership. Third step is entrepreneurship. So, first step is communication skill. How? I will explain you. Let's start it. So when we are come first time in this world, that time we don't know anything. Our brain, human brain, the conscious mind and subconscious mind, everything is empty that time. So that time we are learning our mom and dad explain. So that's the communication skill. So 1 years to 15 years we are learning that's communication skill. 15 years after our life is started, that's the second step. That means leadership. And the leadership 15 years to 25 years, inside more than 10 years we are learning the leadership. Third step is entrepreneurship. 25 years after 25 years after our world, that time we are doing in entrepreneurship, like any business, any investment, 1 lakh, 50 lakh, 5 lakh, what you want to do you can do, but not before 25 years. After 25 years, that time we are learning the entrepreneurship. That's why Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir said the 3 steps to success in our life. If you understand then the communication skill step, leadership step, and entrepreneurship step, 3 steps to success in our life. If you understand then, so I'm going to share with you one more thing today. So life is like a garden. If you understand then, so how I'll explain you. Like हिंदी में भी तो बोल सकते हो यार, हम लोग इंडियन है, क्योंकि डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम सर बोलता है ना, इंडियन आदमी एक अलग सा ही ब्रिलियंट होता है. सो इसलिए डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम सर का कहने पे मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ. डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम सर सेड, ही सेड, सो India is the most popular language talented democracy country in the world. So if you search scientifically then, so how? I'll tell you. So India is the largest country in the world because 29 states are there in India. That's why more than 29 official language also are there in India. So that's why all people are brilliant. If you ask anybody, brother, how many language do you speak? Definitely you will tell more than 10 to 12 language. How? Why? Because you are belong to India, man. Because 29 states are there in India. That's why you can speak more than 29 language. If you ask any another country people like Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, if you ask any Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan people, brother, how many language do you speak? Definitely will tell 1 or 2. Because if you ask in internet, what is the official language of the Bangladesh? Internet, Google also says Bangladesh the official language is only Bengali. But if you ask our India, what is the official language of the India? Google says India of the official language is Hindi and English. So that's why if you ask any Indian people, brother, how many language do you speak? Definitely will tell more than 10 language I can speak because I live in India. I belong to India. That's why we are very proud our India. That topic says Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So I'm also, that's why I said, if we really how to live in our life. So if you